Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, the recent drop from today. Was this the last drop or will we drop more? What am I doing? What's my strategy for the upcoming days? And what do I think will happen to Bitcoin and Ethereum in the upcoming days? Ethereum created a new all-time high today at around 4,915. We will talk about it as well. We also have this $2 million prize pool trading competition on VX. Make sure you check it out down below in the description with a link. You can get up to $30,000 in bonuses and more, so make sure you check it out. And now let's jump straight into the chart and see what happened here in the recent hours. We can see Bitcoin now sitting at 112k. We dipped below 111k. Exactly, we dipped down below to 110, 498. So the question is, was this the last dip? We can see now we basically created a double bottom here. So this double bottom will most likely play out, in my opinion, and this will be a reversal pattern. So we might see a nice move for Bitcoin. So we have this bottom here, then we have another bottom here, and after that we will probably go back to this zone and even higher for now. But let's go over on the 4 hourly so we can see the bigger picture. For now we still have quite of a resistance here, so to say. So let's see if we will break above or not, and when will that be. Right now Bitcoin is bouncing back, which is quite nicely from, we had almost a 2k bounce here from the dip, and some of the altcoins are also recovering. We will talk about my trades. We will talk about my hedge short position from yesterday, guys. I opened this hedge short position just because I was feeling something was off, and we will also talk about the Ethereum pump. We'll come to that later, but for now we can see this position is already 3.5k in the profits, which is quite nicely. Of course, it's just a drop on the hot plate compared to how much my account dropped, but I still take this. I will recycle these profits into some long positions, either for Ethereum, Bitcoin, or Solana. Let's see. For now, let's take actually some profits together here. I will take 50% of the profits. Let's close it. So we just made 1.7k in profits right here, which is quite awesome. You know, I should have added more, but I'm still happy. I was not sure, and we can see here. Let's go over to Ethereum right here. We can see we had a massive pump for Ethereum, guys. Look at this. We pumped to 4,950 during the night, which was quite epic. And after that, we dipped down below, which is not so amazing, I have to say, because many of my positions dropped as well. Uni almost at $10 right now. Then we have here VeChain holding quite strongly, I have to say. So I'm quite bullish VeChain. I'll probably add some more to this position on the next dip. Let's see, but I think for now VeChain was actually very stable. It dropped very little during this dip, so not so much. We were at 2.7, now we're at 2.6, and so not such a big move. I'm quite bullish on VeChain, and all of you know my price target for VeChain is the 8 cents, which was the high from December. This is not even the all-time high for VeChain. VeChain had an all-time high at around 24 cents, but still I think this zone can be easily reached in December. We didn't even have a real altcoin season. It was still a build-up of an altcoin season, so I still expect an altcoin season to come, especially now after Ethereum broke the all-time high. So I expect Ethereum breaking the all-time high again in the next couple of days, maybe weeks. So let's see. But now we will probably go into price discovery mode. So Ethereum can easily go to 6, 7, 8k in the next 30 days. So with that being said, I'm quite happy with my position here. My entry point also quite nice, 3k. And with that being said, quite good. Altcoins position, you can see I have 13 positions open, so I'm quite and diversified amongst all of the categories of the altcoins, guys. I have like layer ones, I have gaming, I have this one is an oracle, I have a link position, which is another oracle, I have Tao, which is AI. So I'm quite bullish all of these positions. Actually, I'm gonna add some more to my Tau position because I'm very, very bullish Tau. Let's do that right here. I will add another 1.5K. So basically the profits that I made with the short position on Cyber, I will recycle them into the Bit and Sword position because I'm quite bullish on that. See, I expect Bit and Sword to go very soon back here to the 740, so we can still make very, very good gains, guys. Look at this, from this zone up here, we can make around, let's quickly see it on the chart, 84%, guys, on spot, 84% with a 20x leverage, which I'm using on this trade. This can be up to 1600%, so quite bullish on Bitcoin. RSI is also almost hitting the oversold area, so it's a good opportunity for everyone. Let's go on the 4 hours and see. RSI really almost, and we can see it didn't really go, like all of this time it didn't really go into the oversold area. Just around here on the 25th of August we went into the oversold area, and after that we had actually a quite nice pump, I have to say. We pumped up to 406, and we can see with that we had a 22% bounce, which is quite nice, right? The same to happen to BitTorrent very soon. And if you want to trade like Sim2, don't forget the VX competition here, $2 million in prize pools. Check it out in the description down below. This is an exclusive opportunity for the Mario Decentralized channel, so make sure you take advantage of it. And with that being said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye.